Hello friends! Today we will learn some of the animals of Savanna in Africa. Let's get started! Lion, monkey, zebra, tiger, giraffe, owl, and an elephant. Perfect. Do you remember their places? Let's see. The giraffe. Where does it go? Well done. Zebra. Where does the zebra go? Here? Nope. Well done. Good job. Monkey. Where does the monkey go? It goes here. Tiger. Do you remember where the tiger goes? Here? Nope. Here. The owl goes here? Nope. Here? Well done. The lion. Where does the lion go? It goes here. And lastly, the elephant. There is only one spot left and it goes here. Well done guys, thank you for watching. I will see you soon.